Hello all, welcome to Auto Aspects. This is a short video series about the basic terms in vehicle dynamics. In this video we can understand the basic definitions for roll, pitch, and yaw. So, what is roll, pitch, and yaw? What are their influence in driving a car? To know them, we have to first understand the vehicle coordinate system. In a simplified approach, let us consider a fixed axis system comprising x, y, and z axis. The rotation along x-axis forms an angle called psi r. Similarly, psi p and psi y are the rotation angles along y and z axis. If we apply the same axis system to our car, then the rotation along the longitudinal x-axis is called roll. The rotation along the lateral y-axis is pitch, and the rotation along the vertical z-axis is the yaw. Now let us understand them individually. Roll is the rotation of the car about the longitudinal axis. It is also referred as the side-to-side motion of a car about the longitudinal axis, passing through the CG of the vehicle. It also defines that how well a car can distribute its weight while turning. Roll is experienced in response to the cornering centrifugal forces. So, whenever there is a sharp turning maneuver, roll comes into act, but if it is excessive, then, literally the car swings into a drift. In general, positive roll angle is measured when the vehicle poses an upward movement on the right side, while the upward movement on left side termed as negative roll angle. Next let us move to pitch. It is the rotation of the car about the transverse axis. It is also referred as the front and rear motion of a car about the transverse axis, passing through the CG of the vehicle. It also defines that how well a car can distribute its weight during the act of acceleration and deceleration. Pitch is experienced in response to acceleration and deceleration forces. So, when a car is under braking, vehicle decelerates, where the weight of the car is transferred to the front, making the car body to lean forward. Similarly, when it accelerates, the leans back, transferring its weight on rear wheels. Proper pitching of a vehicle leads to maintains correct altitude and ensures comfortable ride. In general, positive pitch angle is measured when the vehicle nose is in upward movement, while the downward movement of vehicle nose is negative pitch angle. That's about pitch. Let's move on to yaw. It is the rotation of the car about the vertical axis. It is also referred as the left to right motion of a car about the vertical axis, passing through the CG of the vehicle. Yaw is experienced in response to cornering, and also sometimes induced by the side wind. So, whenever there is a turning maneuver, the car wheels rotate at different speed. When the car turns left, the right wheels rotate faster than the left wheel. This is because the right wheel covers the maximum distance than the left wheel, which in turn creates an imbalanced force, and vehicle turn is influenced by this force, leading to yaw. To be more precise, more the yaw sharper the turn. In general, positive yaw angle is measured when the vehicle's front end rotates towards right, while the negative yaw angle is measured as the vehicle's front end rotates towards left. In reality, all the three movements, that is roll, pitch and yaw, altogether acts on a vehicle, inducing their effect on the motion. This is a brief overview about roll, pitch, and yaw. Thanks for watching. Professor Boffin, signing off. Cheers.